The euro and the pound sterling began the trading day with a drop. The single currency was influenced by its overbought and the expectations of the eurozone GDP data. Besides, the euro also fell amid pessimism concerning the UK's attempts to cultivate new trade relations. Even if London manages to reach a lucrative trade agreement with Tokyo, the Japanese market will hardly replace the loss of the European one. Moreover, Japan is export-oriented and it sticks to its protectionist trade policies. Thus, the announcements that the UK will sign trade agreement with Japan instead of Europe are groundless. In fact, the key aim is to frighten Brussels. Besides, market participants have quickly forgotten this news. According to the comprehensive analysis, the pound-dollar pair once again approached the level of 1.2620. In fact, the pair has reached the level 2 times already. Thus, it may return to the previous range. Even if the quote consolidates below 1.2620, the flat will still be in the past. It's quite possible that the pound-dollar pair will hover within the levels of 1.2620 and 1.2740 for some time. Local operations could be reopened after a rebound from the mentioned limits. Thus, buy positions could be opened if the price rebounds from the level of 1.2620. However, the main deals are possible if the price consolidates above 1.2770. Sell positions could be initiated below 1.2620 with a target at 1.2580 and 2500. At the same time, the eurozone GDP data turned out to be rather surprising. Thus, in the first quarter, the eurozone GDP declined by 3.1%, whereas economists had predicted a decrease of 3.3%. The previous estimate showed a drop of 3.2%. Nevertheless, the euro only slowed down its depreciation amid the figures. In general, there are no reasons for a rise as the indicator is still shrinking. Moreover, the economic crisis is expected to even deeper as the lockdown measures were introduced almost in the second quarter. Let's take a look at the euro-dollar chart. We can see that the quote broke the lower limit of the accumulation zone between the levels of 1.1270 and 1.1320. Besides, the price slid to the level of 1.1240 for a moment. The correctional movement has not reached yet the 30% level. It means that buyers may fall lower. It's quite possible that the euro-dollar pair may slid to 1.1200-1180. According to the alternative scenario, there still be accumulation within the levels of 1.1270-1320. Thus, sell positions could be opened below 1.1270 with a targeted level at 1.1200-1180. Buy deals could be initiated above 1.1325 with a target at 1.1350-1380. That's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.